and welcome back to Desktop to Mobile Transformation series. In this video, we're going to talk about planning. One of the many benefits of planning is that it can help us anticipate obstacles. Let's take a look at this dashboard. Here, everything is easy to read and I still have plenty of space to work with. But the same dashboard setup is not going to work well on mobile, because we're going from having all of this space to having only this tiny little space to work with. Planning is an important part of building any dashboard, and this is especially true for mobile. So here are some tips that can help you get started. You can start by asking the following question: who are the target users? The layout and structure can change depending on the target users and their needs. For example, if you're building a mobile dashboard that is only intended for executive level managers, things like daily cleaning checklist forms or training materials may not be necessary. In order to effectively work with a limited space, you should always try to keep things simple. Another thing you should think about is navigation. Good navigation can increase usability and even enhance the overall user experience. This can be done in many different ways, but it should always be intuitive and again, simple. For instance, you can use the first page as your homepage, then add icons that intuitively make sense, such as up and down arrow icons for page control, and a home icon that jumps back to the first page you're using as a homepage. But try not to add too many icons everywhere. Lastly, don't forget to visualize your design. Whether it is using pen and paper or your laptop using diagrams or drawings, once you can see your ideas in a glance, it'll become so much easier for you to make changes and decisions on how you want to build out your dashboard. Today we talked about the importance of planning as well as some tips that can help you get started. You should evaluate the target users, think about navigation, and visualize your design. Also, remember to keep things simple. In the next video, I'm going to use what we discussed today to plan out my dashboard design with you. So let's dive in, and I'll see you in the next video.